In this video, we're going to learn about multiplication with increasing place value, or it has an increasing pattern. So if we have a problem like this that says complete the pattern, and we have 6 times different numbers, and it equals 36, or 360, or 3,600, or 36,000. So you could see there's an increasing pattern there. So don't get intimidated by the big numbers because it's actually quite simple. So the first thing we can see is we start with the easiest, right? 6 times 6 ones equals 36. And then that just means 6 times 6 equals 36. Then for this one, 6 times 6 tens equals 630. So what does that mean? It just looks like this. So 6 times 60 equals 360. That's what 6 tens means. So we could see how this pattern is going to develop, right? So 6 times 6 hundreds equals 3,600. So that means 6 times 600. 6 hundreds can be represented like this as a number. And then of course the last one is 6 times 6 thousands equals 36,000. And that looks like this. 6 times 6,000 equals 36,000. And all the zeros here can be represented here. This has 2 zeros, and then there's 2 zeros here. There's 1 zero here and 1 zero here. No zeros here and no zeros here. And that's the end of that explanation. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, you could just rewatch the video. And also check out the description for other resources related to this topic. And of course, you could always download the ebook that has this exact lesson in it, and you can follow along in the ebook.